Ready for some coffee?
Yes, very ready.
So what just happened?
We just got dropped off by the hotel taxi and ran onto a bus that they say we're going in the right direction, and we're just hoping so.
We basically just paid some guy, random guy, to drive us to the bus stop.
We finally made it to paradise, Preston.
Finally. This is beautiful though. Just took a couple cars, a couple trikes, a couple planes, a couple buses, and a couple more trikes. We made it. And asking a lot of people for help. Asking a lot. That was nice of them, huh? Just carrying your cake back to the room.
The grand reveal.
Onion room, sweet. Let me get the key out right off there. Paradise. A big ol' lizard. Big old lizard just waiting in there for us.
Any second now.
Sorry, ma'am. Oh, nice. This is good.
Wow. This is nice.
This is Filipino, not like luxury. Bah!
Just a little morning coffee this morning. Yeah.
Too many white Russians, but bananas. Go bananas. Go bananas. But bananas. Too many white Russians. Too many white Russians for this one. She had one, I had four. Big deal. Believe it or not, there are a lot of islands out there. You just can't see them because it's so rainy. We are having a little bit of a tropical storm, but relaxing all day in a hammock and in the most beautiful tropic area with not a single guest in sight. This is still paradise, rain and all. The most beautiful honeymoon, most beautiful trip. Australia to the Philippines and on to India. Hopefully we don't get bugged. And hopefully I can have one more white Russian before we head out. Honeymooners in the rain.
It's really coming down.
What's happening, babe? What do? We got cats. We got problems. We got more cats than we can handle here in the Philippines. Oh, jeez. Out to the lagoon you go. Okay, let's get them out. Take them out. You have to go home, but you do have to leave. Out of here, cats. Go and get. Jeez.
Good girl. Okay.
Okay, watch out for a ringworm. Goodbye, good night.
Fritos?
Frito-Lays. It tastes like Frito-Lays. Pull out some corn, babe. Show us. Corn on the cob. What are you eating?
Hollow hollow.
Hollow hollow?
Mm-hmm.
You like it?
Yeah, it's good.
Sweet corn in your ice cream? And then what do you got? A visitor down there? A little kitty cat? We got 3 cats and some corn in the cob in your ice cream? Hollow hollow.
Morning, Preston. Where are we headed next?
Hong Kong.
Flying out of where?
Cebu, Philippines still. Go to Hong Kong and then off to India, Delhi. New Delhi.
Nice.
You having fun, babe? You ready? Where are we going?
Hong Kong.
Hong Kong, baby.
先將救生衣套喺頸部，將腰帶圍住腰並扣好。
First time in China?
First time.
Just touched down in Hong Kong.
Hong Kong, yes, Hong Kong. I want to be honest with you, I don't know what we're looking at. What is that? What is it?
I think that.
Last flight on the way to India.
That's not our last one.
Last trip, last country.
Our last big journey.